So we are here at the Ape Academy in Vienna, and we were thinking about what's the craziest thing we can do in here. So we came up with this fun idea. Yo, this is ridiculous. What the hell are we doing? It's not even gonna work. Emily, do you think this is going to work?
Not really, no, actually.
Alex, what about you?
Optimistic. It's definitely gonna work.
I mean, that will probably work, and then, I don't know.
Are you ready?
Oh, wait.
I'm not ready.
No, I'm not sure if I'm ready, right? If this is going to work, it's amazing, it's awesome. But if it's not gonna work, we're just working on this for 4 hours now. If it's not gonna work, everything breaks apart. That's gonna suck, but let's stay optimistic, like this is going to work.
Oh no.
You're gonna do it from hanging, yeah?
Yeah, guys, this is, oh.
You're gonna count? You're gonna count?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone.
3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
So it kind of worked. I mean, at least he made it over there. But it could work better. But I guess we'll just try it again and we'll see how it goes. Yo, how was it? How was it?
Yeah, it was fun, but it was a bit too, it was not fast enough for this jump.
Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe next time.
We need more speed. Maybe we just need to jump from the top. Alright, I want to try it now. It's my turn. 3, 2, 1, go! It's kind of like you have a lot of speed in the beginning and then you slow down and then it's still like you go up and it's like, what's going on? And then it's just like boom, that's it.
What are you doing, mate? Whoa! Okay, sorry. Back to the slide. Kickflip!
So it didn't really work how we were expecting, but it was still fun, and I mean we did it. We did the craziest thing that we've ever done in this gym.
Crazy!
So yeah, that's it. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I just made this outro because everyone does it, so yeah. Peace out.